Huawei disrupts the tech world with its latest patent filing, a low-tech lithography method poised to revolutionize 5-nanometer chip production. Can traditional methods keep up with this innovation? Stick around to unravel the implications and potential game-changers in semiconductor technology. Our journey commences at the convergence of technology and innovation, where Huawei's most recent patent submission signifies a noteworthy milestone in semiconductor progress. As we delve into the complexities of Huawei's pioneering lithography technique, we are prepared to investigate its extensive implications for the worldwide semiconductor sector amid trade limitations and geopolitical pressures. The pursuit of technological progress has never been more pivotal. Understanding the significance of Huawei's patent disclosure necessitates placing it within the wider context of trade constraints and technological hurdles. These constraints, particularly those obstructing access to crucial semiconductor manufacturing equipment, have presented significant obstacles for Huawei and other industry participants. The incapacity to obtain indispensable tools like extreme ultraviolet lithography machines has spurred efforts to find alternative solutions to sustain competitiveness and technological advancement. In a significant development, Huawei, in partnership with a state-supported entity, has introduced a patent application for an innovative lithography method called self-aligned quadruple patterning, SAQP. This disclosure marks a fundamental change in semiconductor manufacturing, providing a feasible alternative to EUV lithography machines, which are currently inaccessible due to trade barriers. SAQP has the potential to transform chip production by facilitating the development of advanced chipsets with improved performance and efficiency. Delving deeper into the realm of SAQP, we strive to uncover the scientific principles that underlie this groundbreaking lithography technique. SAQP utilizes multiple patterning iterations to achieve unprecedented levels of transistor density and performance, exceeding the capabilities of conventional lithography methods. Through the utilization of SAQP, Huawei and its partners aim to surpass existing technological constraints and pave the way for a new phase of innovation in semiconductor technology. Engaging in discussions with esteemed figures in the industry, we aim to investigate the potential impact of Huawei's patent application on the semiconductor sector as a whole. These conversations shed light on the transformative possibilities of SAQP and its ability to reshape the competitive environment. Experts provide varied perspectives on the implications of this innovative technology, emphasizing the significance of strategic collaboration and innovation in propelling industry advancement. Although SAQP holds great promise, it is accompanied by challenges and complexities. Technological obstacles, manufacturing scalability issues, and regulatory limitations pose significant hurdles on the journey to widespread adoption. Overcoming these challenges requires unwavering determination, strategic foresight, and continuous innovation from Huawei and its collaborators as they endeavor to fully realize the potential of SAQP in semiconductor manufacturing. It's essential to acknowledge the influence of global politics. In recent years, rising geopolitical tensions have elevated technology to the forefront of international diplomacy. High-level diplomatic interactions among world leaders now hold significance beyond mere political discourse. They carry substantial implications for tech giants such as Huawei, given the increasing intertwining of the world's technological landscape with political maneuvers. The semiconductor industry finds itself at the epicenter of these strategic competitions. Huawei, in its quest for global technological leadership, must adeptly navigate these turbulent geopolitical waters while maintaining its agility. The outcomes of these diplomatic engagements could significantly impact the future of SAQP technology and its role in shaping the next generation of semiconductors. As we navigate the intricate intersection of geopolitics and technological innovation, it's imperative to enlist the expertise of industry stalwarts. Let's delve into insights and forecasts from prominent industry analysts and thought leaders regarding the trajectory of semiconductor technology. They will focus on discussions about the potential pathways of SAQP technology, the obstacles it may encounter, and the strategic considerations that will shape its progression. These experts, with their distinctive amalgamation of technical expertise and industry foresight, will offer us an exclusive glimpse into the future. Their viewpoints will enable us to comprehend pivotal drivers, potential challenges, and strategic imperatives that could mold the evolution of the semiconductor industry. Next, let's delve into the broader implications of the evolving semiconductor landscape, transcending mere technological advancements and challenges. The emergence of self-aligned quadruple patterning carries profound socioeconomic and geopolitical consequences. The pursuit of semiconductor innovation extends beyond a mere race for technological dominance. It intersects with broader geopolitical dynamics, reshaping global power structures, fostering economic competitiveness, and influencing diplomatic relations. Nations are competing fiercely to lead in this high-stakes race, with implications stretching far and wide. The requisite strategic foresight in this scenario is immense, as it entails not only predicting technological trends, but also comprehending their intersection with global politics, economics, and society. The stakes have never been higher, underscoring the imperative for collaborative action on the global stage. In the subsequent segment, we'll delve deeper into these implications, scrutinizing how the evolution of semiconductor technology could recalibrate global power dynamics and reshape our world. In the relentless pursuit of technological progress, it's imperative not to overlook the ethical considerations inherent in these advancements. As we venture into the unexplored realm of semiconductor technology, it becomes essential to examine the moral dimensions and regulatory standards governing this domain. The proliferation of self-aligned quadruple patterning and other semiconductor innovations transcends mere technological prowess. It necessitates ensuring that these advancements align with our collective ethical values and societal norms. The evolution of semiconductor technology is not solely a scientific or economic endeavor. It is also a moral imperative. We must contemplate how these innovations can be ethically and responsibly leveraged to contribute to societal well-being and mitigate existing inequalities. Furthermore, regulatory frameworks play a pivotal role in shaping the trajectory of semiconductor innovation. They establish the benchmarks and guidelines that ensure the responsible development and utilization of these technologies, striking a balance between fostering innovation and safeguarding consumer protection, fair competition, and national security. As we push the boundaries of what is achievable with semiconductor technology, it is paramount to navigate this terrain with ethical integrity and responsibility. The next phase of innovation goes beyond mere technological advancements. It encompasses ethical stewardship. In the upcoming segment, we will delve deeper into these themes, examining the crucial role of ethics and regulations in shaping the evolution of semiconductor technology. As we progress in our exploration of the semiconductor realm, it's crucial to acknowledge that this journey is not solitary. It's a collaborative effort that necessitates the wisdom and creativity of diverse stakeholders worldwide, ranging from industry leaders, regulators, and academics to grassroots innovators and consumers. Each individual plays a role in shaping the future of this industry. Now we explore the vital significance of stakeholder engagement and community collaboration in catalyzing meaningful change in the semiconductor domain. Stakeholder engagement goes beyond mere dialogue. It entails fostering a synergy of ideas, perspectives, and expertise to foster innovation, diversity, and resilience. It involves harnessing the collective wisdom of various stakeholders to surmount challenges and seize opportunities. Community collaboration, on the other hand, involves transcending boundaries and fostering cross-disciplinary, cross-sectoral, and cross-geographical collaboration to enhance our understanding and broaden our horizons. It's about leveraging the power of diversity to drive innovation and resilience. Through stakeholder engagement and community collaboration, we can ensure that the evolution of semiconductor technology is not solely a technological endeavor, but also a societal one. It's about shaping a future that is inclusive and sustainable. In conclusion, the journey through the semiconductor landscape underscores the imperative of collaboration, ethical stewardship, and technological innovation for shaping a future that is inclusive and sustainable. What role do you envision for yourself in driving the evolution of semiconductor technology? Feel free to share your thoughts and perspectives in the comments section below. Don't forget to become a part of the Revel Discovery community by hitting that subscribe button to stay informed about the latest technological advancements and innovations. Explore endless tech possibilities for an exciting future.